Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and let's talk about the advanced version of the side sit-ups here on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So welcome to one of the toughest side sit-ups ever. So it's really funny because on the prep version, I said this is like the best place to prepare yourself for your side sit-ups. And now on the same piece of equipment, I'm gonna talk about the hardest side sit-ups that there ever is. And it's because you're gonna have very few points of contact and you're really gonna have to work on your reach. So I broke this exercise out so it's its own flashcard in the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcard deck because the truth is that not everyone has to do this exercise and not everyone will get there right away. And I didn't want you to feel like you had to get there very soon. I wanted you to have something you could aspire to someday. And trust me, it took me years. I learned it, couldn't do it, put a pause in it, came back to it. And only recently has it something that like feels comfortable. Comfortable is the wrong word, possible. And like it's ready for me, or I'm ready for it, right? So allow yourself to be in practice. You typically would do this from the regular side sit-up. So your leg is on that bottom rung, top foot is here. And then you are going to take, after your last one of these, you're going to take this leg and you're going to reach it out. And I'm actually thinking about sucking this leg in as I reach it out. And then you're going to go up and over your barrel and up and over your barrel and up and over the barrel and up and over. Now, you can put this leg on a wall. That might be an option to like as a prep, as a version between the two. If it's going well, you can make it harder by taking a pole and using the pole. And so now you're going up and over and up and over. And to be completely honest, I don't think it's harder. I actually kind of like how much I can reach more with my upper body. Ooh. It really works the inner thigh of this leg. I'm going to be honest. So make sure you do both sides. If you have a weaker side, do that one first, then the strong side, then the weaker side. And you know, it is a crazy exercise, but it's quite fun when you're like, wow, look what I'm doing. And it really prepares you for STAR. Fun fact on the reformer, I think, because it helps you reach into that bottom leg. If you have questions about this, put in the comments below. We go live every Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific time to answer your questions. If you're an OPC member, ask us in the members only community. We answer your questions every single day. Have an amazing day.